Alright everyone, welcome back to another Wagon. So today we're gonna go show some love at another Brekkie Car Club event. Oh, gear wouldn't go in. Brekkie Car Club event. It's cool because it's nearby my house, so I don't have to drive too far today. So a lot of Porsches, a lot of clean Hondas, but yeah, a lot of Porsches, which we love. And it should be a cool event. It's already warm this beautiful sunny morning here in Southern California, but we love it. We love it. What I'm not loving though, it's my mirror. Just broke out of nowhere, so now it's all flimsy. I gotta get new mirrors. It is what it is. Alright. Oh man. Oh man. Look at this. Crazy fit, man. It's beautiful ass. Very nice. Alright, so we made it, guys. We're somewhat early, so that's good.
I like that spot, like lighting wise. Yeah.
Man, a bunch of bangers are right here. Look at this. Oof, look at that fit, man. Beautiful car, man. Love the yellow. ¿Qué es tempranito para barrer o qué? ¿Cómo estás?
Buenos días, Carlos.
Buenos días, buenos días. Chulada de carros, ¿no? ¿Todo tranquilón o qué? ¿Sí? ¿Dónde tu yonke?
Ahí está.
Yeah, 2002. Gosh, perfect color, perfect wheel finish. I love the steely look. Man, what a machine. Así es como me gusta, Edu. No me escucho ese güey. Chido. Wow, bro, this thing is perfect. Ah, como me gustan estos, man.
Old school. Mira los detalles. Fíjate el detalle que nunca vas a encontrar en Nueva. Fíjate toda esta parte. Mira cómo toda esta parte sí.
¿Qué tus detalles?
Los detalles, o sea, en verdad. Por eso me gusta el old school. El chrome. O sea, el chrome nunca lo vas a comparar con pedazos de plástico, canito. O sea, inclusive los detalles.
¿Verdad que sí?
Sí.
Me encantan los rines esos.
El interior simple, o sea, simple.
Pero ni tan simple.
¿Eh?
Ya nomás.
Ya nomás.
No, que los WRXs ya todos parecen galletas.
No, y no digas de los Hondas, mijo.
No, ¿cuáles son? Si los Hondas son los más...
No.
Mira, ese zapatito está chingón.
Ah, sí.
Bonito.
Hay un M, ¿no? Hay una versión M.
Ajá.
De estos. Hay una versión M.
Pues es este.
Es este. Oh, tiene razón. Sí, es este.
Sí, no creo que le haya puesto el sign.
No creo. Bueno, no sé.
Mira nomás.
Ah, sí,
Eso, está chingón. ¿Sí?
¿Te recuerdas a los Renaults?
Exactamente.
¿Te recuerdas al Renault como tenía zapatos?
Eso es como me encantan los Renaults. Y Advan RGs, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Oof. Beautiful. No, ahí está bueno todo el día para fotos, ¿no?
Sí.
Alright, man. Look at this. Nice little set of 964s here. It's pretty. I love how the different wheel setups give the car a different look. They're still similar bodies. Now, I don't know the differences between they're called like C2, C4s. I don't know all of those details, but obviously the body is the same-ish. And so just looking at the wheel setups and how they change the car, it's impressive. Plus the interior of the cars, man. It's like just great. So good, you know? Love the yellow headlights with the yellow wheels. Trying to not be on people's way because this setup right here, this little corner, pretty cool with the two white 911s. Very nice. It said rotary forms on this white one. It just gives a nice different look. Black interior. This one has more of an OEM taste to it, while the other one has Recaros and cage. So it's cool just to see the different execution. BBK, I believe, or maybe not. I saw a bigger caliper. I thought it was a BBK right off the bat. Man, look at this beautiful interior. Oh, I think they're stock brakes. I forget that Porsches come with upgraded brakes from factory, hence why they're a little more expensive than just your typical cars. So like I said, we're here somewhat early, so that'd be cool. I don't think I'm gonna do a roll-in today. I think I just want to focus on just the video aspect of the walk around. Beautiful yellow FK8. I love the yellow, man. Yellow is the move. And then after that, just taking pictures, just enjoying, you know, the vibe. I was talking to Edu and Carlos and Pigs. Make sure you follow his Instagram page. Dude pulls some bangers. Oh my god, look at this. Woo! Wow, beautiful. Nice setup. M cars coming in, motorsports. Like I said, follow his Instagram. Literally how you see it. Carlos and Pigs. Homie drops some bangers. Oh, that's cool. It's cool, man. Something different. I love that. I like that a lot. Obviously, people are gonna be drooling over this NSX. Rapidito! Let me get out of his way so he can take some nice pictures of it. As he's taking pictures of that, I took a picture of this beautiful, beautiful black NSX. Just, everything about this car, man. It's just gorgeous. Look at that. Shout out to my buddy Chris. We met last week to do a podcast. We had a shotgun drive, and I was binge watching some of his videos. He has a YouTube channel called Chris Lum, so CHRIS space LUM, and obviously he knows everything about NSXs because he drives one himself. And yeah, it was cool to see his video because he actually, I really like the way he took the time to go into into each car. And that's how I know that these are his old M7s, M7 wheels, and you know, he knows practically everybody in the NSX community, which is pretty cool. Sorry, I'm trying to take something away from my camera, so hence the finger. So yeah, I think it was pretty cool to be able to kind of learn a little more facts about some NSX owners around Orange County, LA, Southern California. So pretty cool. It looks cool. I'm not a big Corvette kind of guy. I think if I had a lot of money, I would, yeah, for sure, definitely buy one. But I don't know, it just doesn't grab my attention as much as this moment.
They were selling
304 and 3 here. I like this car a lot. It's, you know, very, very subtle, perfect daily driver. And some of the vendors that came through, they show some love to them as well, because why not? Breakfast dreams, so that's cool.
Morning, everybody. We'll be opening in just about 5 minutes. Line can form right here. Thank you very, very much.
Oh, wagon. See, this is what I get excited about. Oh my gosh. It's perfect. Perfect. Look at that. Woo! Dude. That thing is beautiful. Freaking wagon. Ah. Why do I like wagons so much? Well, it's beyond me. I don't know why. Oh my god. Look at this. The perfect blue. Perfect wheel and tire setup. Jesus, this is cool. F05, man. I'm telling you guys. God, it's so pretty. Very, very nice. Nice settle front lip. That's all you need. Evil 10. It's just gorgeous cars, man. Beautiful. M3. Newest generation. Upgrade a couple grills there. Carbon fiber. Absolutely gorgeous car. fella. I haven't seen this car in a long time. I gotta find him. Where is he? I haven't seen this car. Nobody else has a clean first gen like this. Has to be him. I'm blanking out his name right now, so I do apologize, bud. But it has to be you, because no one else has such a clean platform. This is cool, man. Buckets. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful car. So like I said, we're still really early, so a lot of cars are still coming in. A lot of cars parked on this side. I love putting in the work there with the camera. Don't want to get in his way. A lot more cars coming through. Beautiful.
Yeah, until it gets
Sadly's S13 rolled in. One I had already parked. Ooh, with Skyline wheels. All right. 4x114.3. I am to assume. One of the few cool wheels that come in that 114 pattern. So super rad. I almost purchased some a long time ago, but I didn't win the bid. So it is what it is. Sedan, looking minty. Dig it for sure. Man, the R35s are big. That's crazy. That looks good. That's nice. Oh, rotiform wheels on this. Nice. Of course, this is like a brand, you know, like a pretty rad R35, but I get stuck on wagons. Why? It's right-hand drive. Oh, I just saw it's right-hand drive. No way, dudes. Oh, I thought it was just regular traffic. I'm like, I'm gonna troll people, and no. Oh my God, look at the color on this. Picture it, just slam. Some black, white wheels or something. Dude, what a flex. It has the cargo cover, proud parent of a jiu-jitsu student. It's cool, man. This is rad. I don't know who drives this, but this is cool. Very, very subtle. Oh my goodness. I don't even think about it. Look at that. Yee. Right hand drive, my boy.
That's crazy.
I love it.
Yeah, last day is,
I love wagons. M4 right here, just chilling. I've always liked M4s. They look super aggressive. These Lexus, very underrated. They're quick. They're quick for sure. I like the livery on it. ECS/R. Love the aggressive on the fenders. Very nice. These things boogie, man. These things for sure boogie. So super rad. Be able to see it here. Oh my goodness. Woo. Perfect. Beautiful car, man. That wagon. So good. Perfect wagon. Couple bends coming through. Nice. Beautiful. Wow. I like vans because you get both, you know, the performance and the luxury of it, and they look so subtle. Like, you wouldn't think these cars can move, you know. They just look comfortable, and that you get both. You get comfortability and speed. Oh my. Oof. Oh, that sounds good. F80. God, so good. F80, perfect daily driver. I said it. Look at that. Man. Couple more Corvettes coming through. This is bad. Jesus. That's bad. Oh no. Beautiful Integra coming through. Thing's nice, man. So clean. I love the finish on the wheels. Starting to get full. There's a few cars that came through here that I really wanted to see, such as this Wagon. Oh wow. So boosted on bags. This thing is done up perfectly. Oh dude, look at that header here. Oh, that's perfect. And then it goes directly to the headlight. Very cool design header. For sure. Very clean work, man. My goodness, this thing is beautiful. The seats are in perfect condition. Very nice shifter, manual. Very rad. Rear seats are mint. Love the color on this. Car goes perfect. Respect your elders as they should with the E30 generation. Clean, really clean bumpers. Very nice. If you know, you know. Something different I like. This is an actual SRT4. That's cool. Nice finish on the exhaust. A little bit of work there. Very cool. I really like the color of the car itself. It reminds me of Jackie. Manual. Very nice. I wonder if all the SRT4s came in manual. Now, so they're boosted, right? I mean, that's what they're. The big change. It was like an Evo before the Evo, or you know what I mean. Very cool. It was competition to the Evo. There you go. She said that. Very cool. I like it. I like it. Now, fun story. I actually like these Hyundais. I was looking. I'm gonna blink out. I don't know if it's TRC or WRC, something like that, one of those races online, and they have some cars like this, and they race against FO5s, and I can't remember the other car, but they look sick. Granted, yes, they're the like GT or whatever you want to call them version, but I still think it was cool to see Hyundais there do their thing. I'm like, yeah, that's dope. Special things that I really like. You guys know it, wagons and old school wagons for that matter. This thing is perfect. The color, how clean it is, and absolutely gorgeous. Let me get out of the gentleman's way so he can take a nice picture. It's gutted in the back. Very cool. Very cool picture. There you go. There you go. Thank you. Thank you. Show some love. It's a beautiful E30. Perfectly done. Nice. Such a pretty car. Nice car, man.
Thank you.
Such a pretty car. Very subtle. Very clean. Perfect height. Yep. These cars don't need much, man. It's beautiful. Haven't seen one of these ones in a while. Manual. Interesting. Ooh. Thing is manual. Nice. Very cool. I dig it. Nice, clean, simple body. I like it. Really like this Miata, the green on it with the silver steelies. It looks like it's very well maintained. The yellow turn signals, love it. I really like the Japanese, or the circle on the side. Man, that interior is clean. Even the steering wheel. Very nice. I like it. The Starlet's leaving. Hopefully comes this way. I think we're gonna end up our coverage with the Starlet leaving. Thank you, Brekkie Car Club, for making the time and allowing us to come in. Oh man, that thing is so good. I've been digging McLarens, guys. But yeah, I think Porsche's still the way, right? There's a picture that I want to take with the train coming by. Let's see if I can get it. I'm gonna hang out here. Use one of these cars. I like the McLaren. But you guys know I'm always gonna like this budgety cars a little more. It's bad, dude. Fenders, lower fenders in the back, swan neck. Love the way the bar in the back looks. Thing's gnarly.
You might get lucky and be able to grab it.
Beautiful Miatas here.
They got wagons.
Great stance.
All the way back, right?
Sometimes it's like what, 5'8"?
I'm digging that green a lot. Skylines park all the way over here by themselves. So I lied. We're gonna finish our coverage with these beautiful Skylines. 35, 34 sedan. Look at the size of these wheels. Beautiful. Very nice. Absolute killer. Alright guys, appreciate the love and the support. Big shout out to Edu. Thanks for always the positive comments on my photography. Big shout out to George. I was talking to you for a bit, man. Ride safe, bro. I think this is you. Yeah, it is you. Nice talking to you, man. I was telling him that it's not only just for like the aesthetics of it or the sound. It's a safety mechanism, man. People need to hear you. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much for the love and the support. And we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, everyone. Come on, George. Let me hear it. Let me hear it, George. Rip it.